Today is about hexagons, and I'm using the Sew Easy template set. We sell it here at Sewing Parts Online. It's 8 different acrylic hexagon templates from down to just 3/4 of an inch all the way up to 3 inches. So I've used this. I have chosen 2 of the larger templates. This is the 3-inch, and look, I cut a backing piece. I'm making these nice coasters or just hexagons. I cut my backing piece out of the 3-inch one. I'm going to flip that over. I cut my batting and my top piece out of the 2-inch hexagon. So those are right here. This is a Quilt-As-You-Go project. So look, if I center these, and I want to make sure and measure these that you really have centered these. I mean, take some time with this. But as Quilt-As-You-Go, you know, we fold one edge in, and then we fold it up again, and we pin it. And you're going to just do this all around the edge. Work in a counterclockwise motion. Fold this up and up, pin it. Just continue a counterclockwise motion. And when you are finished with that, just take it to your machine and do a top stitch along these edges. Now, I steam pressed it first, but don't make my mistake. And my mistake was pretty funny. On these pieces, I hope you can tell on the camera, I steam pressed. I put a pin through the center to hold it all together, and I steam pressed the heck out of these, and I have a permanent imprint of this safety pin on both of these, so don't do that. You can steam all the edges around before you sew. That's what I would recommend. So go to Sewing Parts Online, look up the Sew Easy template set, give it a try. There's unlimited things you can do with this, and happy sewing.